Next, we're diving into the fascinating world of gastric function, a highly regulated process that ensures our bodies efficiently digest food. It's broken down into three main stages: the cephalic, gastric, and intestinal phases. And interestingly, they can all overlap. First up, the cephalic phase. This is where your stomach gets ready for action even before food arrives. Just the sight, smell, taste, or even the thought of food can kickstart this process. Your brain, specifically the hypothalamus and medulla oblongata, receives these sensory inputs and sends signals down the vagus nerve to your stomach's enteric nervous system. This stimulates your parietal cells to release acid and your G cells to produce gastrin, essentially priming your stomach. About 40% of your stomach's acid secretion happens right here, getting everything prepared to process that delicious meal. Next, we move into the gastric phase, which begins once food actually enters your stomach. This is a crucial period where swallowed food and partially digested proteins really get things going. About half of your total acid secretion and 2/3 of all gastric secretion occur during this phase. How does it work? Well, two main ways: the stretching of your stomach as it fills, and a rise in the pH of its contents. Three key chemicals, acetylcholine, histamine, and gastrin, are the primary stimulators here, all working to get those parietal cells secreting hydrochloric acid and intrinsic factor. Your chief cells also get in on the action, releasing pepsinogen. As digestion progresses and peptides leave the stomach, the pH drops. Once it falls below a pH of 2, a negative feedback loop kicks in, inhibiting the parietal and G cells, signaling that the need for pepsin and HCl is decreasing. Finally, we have the intestinal phase, which starts when chyme, that semi-digested food, begins to arrive in your duodenum. This phase is a delicate balance of hormonal and nervous reflexes. The acid and fats in the chyme trigger the enterogastric reflex. Your duodenum sends signals to the medulla, which in turn reduces vagal stimulation of the stomach and stimulates sympathetic neurons to send inhibitory signals. This essentially slows things down. Additionally, enteroendocrine cells in the duodenum release secretin and cholecystokinin, which primarily stimulate the pancreas and gallbladder, but also help to suppress gastric secretion and motility. These cells also secrete glucose-dependent insulinotropic peptide, or GIP, which stimulates insulin secretion. It's a complex and beautifully coordinated system, ensuring your body gets the most out of every meal.